Let's slow down for a moment and make a classic flan together. Before anything else, we begin with the caramel. 6 tablespoons of sugar go over medium heat. No rushing, just let it melt slowly. You're waiting for the sugar to completely dissolve. No visible crystals left behind. Be careful here. Once it reaches that deep golden color, pour it into your mold and set it aside. In a saucepan, pour in 4 cups of milk. In a separate bowl, add 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Gently mix everything together. Warm the milk over heat until it's hot, but never boiling. Then slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, little by little, stirring gently as you go to keep everything silky. For that perfectly smooth texture, strain the mixture and pour it into the mold over the caramel. Place the mold into a larger dish filled with boiling water and transfer it to the oven. From here on, time does the work. Once it's out of the oven, loosen the eggs and let it cool completely. And then comes the final moment, when you turn the flan out of the mold and the caramel slowly flows over the top. That's when you know every second of waiting was worth it. Don't forget to subscribe for more cozy desserts.